Hi. Okay, I don't know whether it's already been seen by you or not. This is my debut in doing Facebook Live. I've never done it. So I might look very weird doing this. um, and I've always seen everyone who does this thing and I've watched it later, they all look very awkward. So I think even I'm going to look very awkward doing this. Yay, I can see comments. This is fun. Hi. So I'm here from the MTV India page and here to talk about, what was I supposed to talk about? I was supposed to talk about MTV Unplugged. Hey, thank you. Okay, so by the time you all start giving me comments and start writing things, just wanted to quickly say that I'm here and I'm here for some time. And I'm excited about the episode which is going to be coming on Saturday. I think you saw a little glimpse of what's going to happen in the episode of MTV Unplugged. Today one of the songs was leaked out for you all. That was Diwani Mastani. And there will be many more songs which will come. A lot of interesting things we have done musically and going unplugged on any song which is already known by you all over so many years. It was tough, but it was fun. Okay, now I will start talking to you all personally. Jayati, ami bhalo achi. Thakur Prithviraj Chauhan, I love you too. Shrishti, hi. Oh my god, yeah, oh my god. Purnima Sonia, you are reading this. OMG. Ayush Tiwari, hey. Paresh Makwana, I'm looking glorious. Thank you. Anandi, hi again. Thank you, Dinesh. Amandeep, thank you for loving my voice. Thank you. Sunny. Yeah, first time live. Good fun. Tushar, the unplugged session experience was quite interesting and I must say quite refreshing. Having no bandhan, having all the freedom to do things like without even thinking, is it for a film, it's for a situation, what's it going to be about. It was pure music and jamming with some great musicians on board. Rakshit, thank you. Aditya, ma'am, you have the most beautiful voice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Someone has written to me something in Bengali. Shreya kemon achen? Bhalo achi. Can you sing 2 lines of Thode Badmash? Unplugged में क्यों नहीं किया ये गाना? करना चाहिए था. थोड़े बदमाश हो तुम, थोड़े नादान हो तुम. Yeah, this is home. I'm not gonna show the whole house, it's a mess. Yeah, a lot of books. I try to read. Most of them are for show only. It's such an awful pleasure to watch you. I hope you meant to say awesome pleasure or what? Awful? Okay. It's heart touching for me. Okay, I love your voice. Thank you. Kindly sing 2 lines from Sawari. Abhi to gaya thode badmash. Diwani Mastani is a masterpiece. Thank you. You liked it. I like that you liked it. Okay, by the time ये हो रहा है तब तक वापस थोड़ा सा मोनोलॉग करते हैं. I don't know if you have watched it already. I think it will be on MTV India page, Facebook page, and this song has been quite an experiment, I would say. Ankur Mukherjee has arranged our whole episode, and very talented guy, very shy, very talented, and someone I really respect as a colleague. It was fun, and बहुत सारे गाने हैं. सुन रहा है ना तू है, अगर तुम मिल जाओ है, मोहे रंग दो लाल है, ले जा रेस. I don't know if any of you guys are from Twitter as well here. If you remember one late night I asked you all कि अगर मुझे कोई अपना गाना, ऐसा गाना जो बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है, rather little underplayed song, which song would that be that you would want me to recreate or give it another shot, in give it a new life? And many of you said Le Ja Re, and that song is from an album I did many years back in, I think, 2005. It was from an album, Ustad and the